friends, hope you guys are doing great. Take another sheet and then apply glue on it. Now paste the other sheets on the top of it, and after making it you will get a bunch out of it, and then you simply have to roll another pair of sheets, and well, this notebooks of these sheets looks very great. Follow the steps as being shown on this video and then simply fold this. After folding this sheet into the desired thing, you have to see that how perfect it looks. After folding it into this manner, you have to open it, and yes, you guessed it right, we are going to make delicious strawberries out of this sheet. Simply note the process and don't forget to add these leaves on the top of your strawberry. See how we are going to paste it, and then your strawberries are ready to eat. Take a sheet like this, and yes, now follow the steps of paper folding and simply note how wonderfully it has been made. See how on the top of it you have to make the bee-like appearance of this art, and then simply convert them into the ears of this bunny, and your bunnies are ready. Now you have to make these working snails out of it, and after making these snails you can simply place these leaves, which are to be made like this by following the very few easy steps. As you can see with how this twisting appearance of these leaves look, now simply roll this sheet into this manner and you are done with it. After doing so, you can see that how perfectly these snails will twist on the leaf pattern as being shown in this video. Now repeat the same process of making the pedicle of this leaf, and the leaf lamina is to be attached on this petiole of this leaf, and see how it will work accordingly. Simply place some glue over here and you are done with it. See how perfectly they work. Take another pair of sheet and start folding it into this manner. After doing so, you simply have to note the directions for the another steps, and don't forget to tap the edges like this. When you are done with it, you simply have to fold it like this. And yes, don't forget to make the product like this. Well, it works very nice. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.